class 11th. This is your last poem, that is the childhood. Marcus Newton. Newton is the writer of this poem, English poet. And childhood, as it has been shown here, it talks about the stage of innocence. And poet is remorsing in this poem that he has lost his childhood, his innocence, his joyful, playful age. So let us start this poem. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography, and therefore could not be? Was that the day? When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. So this is the line in this poem, Childhood, Marcus Newton. So let us explain line by line. When did my childhood go? Mark of interrogation. Here poet is interrogating self in soliloquy way, that when did his childhood go, means his childhood when has gone, when he lost the opportunity of his joys and the cheerfulness of the little age. When it passed away, poet did not come to know. Further saying that was it the day I ceased to be 11? Further poet is expecting, guessing that that was when his childhood went, the time when he was of the 11, means when he reached at the age of 11, then probably his child went. This is the guess, expectation of the poet. Further poet is saying, was it the time I realized that hell and heaven? Means further poet is saying that after being 11, when he had capacity to realize that there is hell and heaven in this earth, could not be found in geography, means hell and heaven cannot find in geography on the earth, means there is no existence, and therefore could not be, means there is no existence of hell and heaven. And this capacity to think in the mind, in the idea, in the thought, came in the mind of poet at the age of 11. Then probably was that the day, that was the probably day when the childhood passed away of the poet. Means when poet became rationalized, started to think about hell and heaven and other worldly things at the age of 11, then poet is guessing that his childhood went. After this, in second stanza, poet is saying, when did my childhood go? Same repetition, alliteration of this line. When did his childhood go? Then further he is replying, was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? Further poet is guessing that his childhood went, passed away from him. The time came when he has capacity to realize, to think that the adults, means grown people, are not so as they look by their appearance, मीन्स जैसा एडल्ट बड़े लोग जैसा अपने अपीयरेंस से दिखाई देते हैं, लेकिन रियली इनर साइड से वे ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम देयर हार्ट, दे आर सीन only by physical showing, upper showing. So poet came to know that such type of deceitful nature adults have. Probably then his childhood passed away. Further saying that they talk of land and preach of love, means those adult people, grown people, talk always about love and tell lot of things about love, but did not act so lovingly. But they talk, they show only in their statement, their voice, but really in their action there is no sign, little bit sign of love and peace. At the place love and peace, rather they what do they hate, they have jealousy. Adults have jealousy. Adults have hate in their heart. Adults have condemning words against other, fight with others. So when parents come to know about all these activities, deceitful activities, false thinking of the adults, grown-up peoples, then poet is guessing that that was the day when his childhood passed away from him. Further, poet is saying that when did my childhood go? Again, the same question like these two, and saying, was it a further guessing? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? Means when poet realized that his mind was his own, means there is no need to have order from others, but he has his own mind to think, to take his own decision, to have his own rational thinking, then to use whichever way I choose. And further, he came to know that his mind, his decision, his ideas, his life should live according to his own ideas, according to his own will, wish, then producing thoughts that were not these of other people. Further, he is saying that thou his mind is his own or was his own, and he has lot of ideas in his mind, though his mind was his own or is on. In same way, his thoughts, his ideas were his own, whichever come in his mind, and thus he has right to live according to his own. Then but my own and my alone, then was that they means that day poet is saying that when he came to know about his thought, his mind, his rational ability, and came to know that his life is must be lived according to his own thoughts, ideas, those thoughts, ideas which are or which were being produced by his own mind in his own interest, in his own benefit, then probably that was the day when came this idea in his mind and his childhood passed away. Further, poet is saying that where did my childhood go? Same repetition. I went to some forgotten place. Poet is saying that his childhood probably went to some unknown place, where from where he could not or he can't hold, he can't find out his innocence, his childhood, his day of pleasure, his day of cheerfulness. That's hidden in an infant's face. And further, poet is saying that his childhood went away from him at a forgotten place, and that childhood went and hid at the such places where the infant's face is there. Means this childhood went in another infant's face, but poet is unable to recognize that where or in which infant face this childhood hide. That's all I know. And poet knows only this, that his thoughts, his life is to live his according to him on. Adults are deceitful, society is deceitful, there is hypocrisy overall prevailing in the whole society, there is no hell and heaven. Thus, poet comes to know that his childhood has gone, and the his opportunity of cheerfulness to play joyfully without any anxiety and without any burden problem, all these days has gone. And where those days has gone? Those days has gone behind the infant's face. So this is the poem. In this poet Marcus Nathan has tried to recall his days of childhood, memories of his days of cheerfulness, joyfulness, and other happy days which has passed away. Now you will find the rhyme scheme of this poem: A, B, B, C, D, C. Means you will find that Go has no rhyme scheme with any line, but 11 heaven has rhyme scheme. So this line is A, this line is rhyme scheme is B, B, means both B and C is matching with each other. So A, B, B. After that, geography, day, B. So A, B, B, geography, B, C, C, day, D. That is no match. So A, B, B, C, C, D. In same way, A, go, not, be, love, lovingly, day. So there is no rhyme scheme here. Go, not, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here rhyme scheme is in this way. In same way you will be count here. A, mine choose people alone day. A B B C C D. A B B C. This is the rhyme scheme of this poem, and adverse, that is the oxymoron, hell and heaven. This is the figure of spin has been used here. Repetition is also when the childhood go, childhood go, childhood go, childhood go. All these has been used here by the poet, and after that, poet has written in the biographical tone, and biographical tone means the poet has expressed his own thoughts, his own life, his own ideas, and more than this, poet here I can say has used some word like where it has gone. Act so lovingly when the day was that the day, also was that the day. So this is the repetition in all these lines. In this way, poet is remorsing for his own childhood, and there is no more thing. Only this poem has a one universal appeal. There's after a fixed age, one's happiness, joy, happiness, and other cheerful days loses away, passed away, and he becomes adult. And with the passage of time, he loses all these charms and becomes the part of the world, physical world, that is, adopts the path of the deceitful, his own selfishness, etc. Thank you.